As the positive news for Ripple appears to be endless, the price continues to struggle. How is this possible? And what are the near-term price targets for XRP? Keep watching until the video's conclusion to discover out. But first, we're giving away $500 to one random subscriber at the end of the month to help them get started on their XRP journey. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and watch the video. Leave a comment below with your opinions about XRP. Greetings, XRP Army. Following a 2-month peak last week, Ripple's price has plunged. On November 17th, the stock and cryptocurrency markets are trading lower as a result of the announcement that Ripple's liquidity hub for commercial clients would commence operations in the near future. As a result, the cryptocurrency's price spiked early this week due to the Securities and Exchange Commission's continuing investigation of the cryptocurrency's developers. Ripple Labs complies with the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States, which asserts that Ripple Labs complies with the SEC. It is promoting XRP as an unregistered security, which violates securities laws. The Bitcoin market remains volatile. Will Ripple's value continue to rise or fall from here? Are you convinced that XRP will soon see gains? If you answered yes, be sure to like this video. As a result of the Liquidity Hub's launch, the XRP price chart reveals that the currency has increased in value. On November 10th, the coin surged to $1.35, its highest level since September 7. According to the data, cryptocurrency values have been steadily growing since late September, with numerous cryptocurrencies reaching new all-time highs in recent weeks. In comparison, the SEC action, on the other hand, it has had little effect on the Ripple trend, which has continued to develop. Following the lawsuit's filing, some U.S. exchanges pulled XRP from their listings. This resulted in a fall in trading activity and a decline in the cryptocurrency's price. On November 8th, the court ordered Ripple Labs to look for and turn over video and audio recordings of internal meetings, which the SEC alleges will demonstrate that XRP was sold and presented to clients as an investment contract. Ripple Labs must comply with the court ruling by December 8th. Ripple Laboratories. It has appealed the court's decision. Ripple Labs has continued to announce additional collaborations with other companies over the duration of the dispute. As a result, on-demand liquidity for the settlement of cross-border payments. According to the firm's third-quarter report, which is currently available in more than 20 countries, the company expects to expand to more than 20 countries by the third quarter of 2020, up from 3 countries in the third quarter of 2019. Ripple has gained in popularity since its beginnings. It has announced further installations in the United Arab Emirates alongside Japanese financial services provider Payapal and Korean money transfer provider SBI Remit, significantly expanding the company's worldwide footprint. When compared to the previous quarter, the number of ODL transactions climbed by 130%. This accounted for 25% of the total dollar value throughout the Ripple network in the third quarter. According to the business, while in the United States, our ODL flows were practically, while domestic ODL volume has continued to grow at a breakneck pace due to regulatory uncertainty, volume has increased by more than 25x year-over-year. Ripple also announced on October 20th that Al Ansari Exchange is a foreign exchange and money transfer company situated in the United Arab Emirates. Emirates Airline has joined the RippleNet network of businesses. Using the RippleNet Cloud, Al Ansari Exchange will connect same-day transactions with MoneyMatch, a company that specializes in money transfer technologies and remittances to Malaysia. Initially, the new service will only support transactions, Malaysian ringgit at the moment, but the company hopes to expand its capabilities in the future to handle additional currencies, future transactions in other currencies, as well as in the Brunei dollar and Australian dollar. According to Ripple, during its research on central bank digital currencies, the business observed that more than 80% of central banks in various nations are interested in developing some type of sovereign-backed cryptocurrency. There was an announcement of a collaboration with Bhutan's central bank, the Royal Monetary Authority. On September 22nd, the RMA and Ripple will collaborate to conduct a phased testing of a CBDC. Ripple's CBDC solution is now available. Additionally, on October 14th, Ripple became a member of the Digital Pound Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to the formation of a digital pound in the United Kingdom. Ripple, she is a Digital Pound Foundation member. Do you believe that as a result of this incredible fundamental news, XRP will see significant gains? Tell us in the comments section below. According to a Ripple chart study, The XRP coin has surged by about 400%. The coin is presently trading at $1.10 year-to-date as of November 18. On the other hand, the market is insatiably hungry for bargains, and XRP was no exception. This is a noteworthy deviation from the rule. Following a decline from $1.20 per unit, the cryptocurrency established a strong base at $1.25. The bears, on the other hand, do not appear satisfied, and they are currently attempting another downward push at the time of this writing. They will create a second line of defense for the bulls at a cost of 96 cents per point if successful. Since the price decline, XRP has seen a significant surge in trading activity, and each bullish endeavor, the attempt to push the cryptocurrency's price above the $1 support level, has been met with resistance. Bears have rushed in to reclaim the $1 support level, causing a fast rejection. The daily RSI has been trending downward for some time now, and the main question is whether it will continue to do so. It is unknown whether it will be able to generate a higher low in the foreseeable future. As a result, the bulls are enraged. Consumers may have a good chance of restoring market control in such an environment. Until then, nature's overall trend remains negative. Due to the ongoing decrease in the daily MACD, it appears as though the bearish momentum has maintained. This trend will continue indefinitely. The histogram and moving averages work in tandem to generate a lower bottom. Despite the MACD's 4-hour duration, it is reversing direction after completing a bullish cross the previous day. As a result, the general trend has shifted dramatically to the negative. On the other side, the current XRP bias is bearish. This does not appear to be the case. According to the signs and price movement, the trend is nearing an end. While I'm producing this video, XRP is battling to maintain a price over $1. These are the bulls will go to any length to ensure their continued existence have not been crossed. If they fail, XRP may fall below the next support level, which at the time was 96 cents. For now, the price of XRP will remain slightly above $1 until a winner is proclaimed. If you feel XRP will remain over $1, leave a comment XRP Army. While there is some good news to report, there is also some bad news. XRP whales, long thought to be absent from the scene, have progressively begun to assert their presence in recent weeks. For instance, only one day ago, a single whale transferred over 12.7 million XRP tokens for about $14 million from the medium-tier Coin One exchange to an unknown wallet, a transfer worth approximately $14 million. While we were doing our inquiry, the receiving wallet had not yet relocated the tokens from their existing location. To be sure, the price of XRP has historically increased in response to whale transfers, and this time was no exception. The prior 28 hours have been particularly difficult for XRP, with the cryptocurrency losing more than 50% of its value. It lost 10% of its worth throughout that time span. What are your thoughts on XRP's near-term prospects? And anticipate future gains? Kindly inform us in the comment section. If you wish to continue learning about XRP, we've included 2 films on the end screen for your viewing pleasure. Subscribing and giving us a thumbs up is a must. Many thanks. That concludes our viewing. We'll catch up with you in the following video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change rapidly, and by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. The data contained in this video is not meant to give investment, financial, trading, or other professional advice. This is not the type of advice you should take in relation to any of the content. The video's content is educational in nature and should not be construed as financial advice. Conduct due diligence and talk with a financial professional prior to making any investment choice.